Hey, shoppers, it's Christoph Trapp talking about these melatonin gummies. And melatonin is really nice, when you go to bed. I'm not going to try these right now, but basically they're gummy bears for your melatonin dosage. And one serving is actually 2 gummies. You take that before you go to bed. I like it because it's not like a pill, right? It's much easier to just consume, so to speak. So check these out. So far, so good. Available right here on Amazon.
This is Zach with WTI, and these are the vitafusion red strawberry melatonin gummies in 10 milligram, use per serving usage. These have just been a super great product, just especially when it comes to being able to fall asleep. It's really aided me, if I've needed a little boost to be able to get to sleep a little bit easier. It's helped me to fall asleep a little bit easier, take it a little, maybe 40 minutes before bed or so. And just a really great product. You open up the top, you can see the little gummies in there. You get, that whole 100 count. It's a whole lot of gummies. So just overall a really good product that does what it says it's going to do. I think you'll really enjoy the product as well as I have. I do use it on almost a daily basis, so it comes in very handy for especially when you're trying to get that little bit of extra sleep, and that's my point of view.
Guys, this is my secret weapon whenever I'm trying to go to sleep. It puts me down right away. It's phenomenal. Highly recommend.